So as always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my top-down approach. So we'll go after the header next, and then of course into the navigation menu and so on. So I'm going to change things up a little bit here with the header. If I flip back over to my code here, again, I got to remind you here, the medium resolution media query. What I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to get myself set up for the header. Again, it's an HTML5 element, so I'm just typing in header, just like we've seen already. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to change it up as I say. I'm not going to specify a width, which means that the header is going to fill the entire width of the master, which don't forget is 95%. So said another way, and I hope this doesn't scramble your brain, but said another way, the header is going to be 100% of 95%. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, just sit tight and follow along and all will be crystal clear in just a moment. So for the header, here's what I'm going to do. I'm simply going to skip ahead and set a height on this fella of 130 pixels, like so, okay? And I'm also going to go ahead and set a background, RGB values, of course, as always. This time we'll do 200, 200, 200, like that. So that's it. That's all we need to do here for the header. And when I save the external style sheet and head back over to my browser and refresh, there we go. There's the header in place for us. This is what I mean. So he's spanning right across the entire width of that master div by default. So we didn't have to set the width. He's always going to be 100% of whatever the master is, which of course is 95%. Okay? So that's how that's functioning. That's how that's working. Hopefully no big deal. Now we have our main navigation menu next.